Alright. Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So I just woke up and time check, it's already 11:45, and don't judge me for that. I know it's kind of late. But I slept around 5 a.m. so that's the reason why I woke up late. Anyway, I'm gonna share you a little secret on how I take my Instagram photos. So I'll be back with you. I'll just take my bath. See you later.
A few moments later.
Okay, so yes, I'm back, and as promised, I'm gonna share you some secrets on how I take my Instagram photos. So before I share my secret, let's admit the fact that not everyone is so willing to take our Instagram photos. But don't worry, you can still take good Instagram photos or social media photos, and yes, you can do it all by yourself. Yes, you alone. And I'm gonna share you some tips on how you can do it too. Okay, so how do I take my Instagram photos or my social media photos? Well, actually, it's not a photo. Actually, I take videos. Yes. I just video myself, I just film myself, and that's it. And I screenshot every poses that I want. So here's how I do it. So I've written down some tips which I'm going to share to you, and actually they are 5, and I wrote them down with my Dr. Handwriting style. Are you ready? Okay, so tip number 1, scout the location first and see if there's a good spot where you can place your phone. So here's tip number 2. Make sure that your phone is placed in a good spot and it can capture the angle that you want. Tip number 3, strike your sure that you try different poses, and if you have accessories, try holding to it, like if you're wearing a hat or if you have a bag with you. Okay, then tip number 4, don't be distracted when someone passes by. Just strike your pose. Strike your poses as if no one is watching you. But if they try to photobomb, just stop it. Okay? And for tip number 5, just be creative. Have some dose of self-confidence. Doing so will help you find your best angle. And that's it. So that's how I basically take my Instagram photos. I just film myself and then I take a screenshot of the video or the poses that I want. And that's it. It's so simple, it's so fun, and a little creative. So if you want to try it, then just go ahead, scout a location, then place your phone in a secure spot and strike your poses. That's it. Okay, so before I end this video, I just want to share a little message. I mean, I'm not doing this or sharing this secret so you can have a pretty good Instagram feed, because I myself, I don't have a good Instagram feed. What I just want to point out is you can take good photos all by yourself without asking for help from other persons. And another thing, whether your Instagram has good feed or your Instagram is not so perfect, then it doesn't make you any less of a person. After all, your Instagram feed doesn't define who you are. And you just have to embrace the truth that whatever your Instagram looks like, whether it's good or it's ugly or it's a mess, you're still beautiful. And that's one thing you have to embrace. That's the truth. So that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe, and make sure you click the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload new videos. Again, thank you for watching. This is me, Bern.